Welcome to Leco Academy. This is Mr. Kavika, and this is episode 3 of arithmetic progression. So let's check out the problem that we have. And here the statement says the sum of the first 8 terms of an arithmetic progression is 248. If the first term is 17, find the common difference. Now, how can we find the common difference? In the previous episode, I said that when finding the common difference, you subtract any term from its preceding term. Now, if we check in the statement here, when we collect data, we have been given the sum of the first 8 terms. So the sum of the first 8 terms to be 248, and also the first term, which is 17. So with the data that we have, we cannot use the idea of subtracting any term to its preceding term. So to proceed finding the common difference, we are going to apply the formula for the sum, since we are given the sum and also the first term. So the sum is equal to n over 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So on the sum of terms, we are going to put 248. So here we have 248 is equal to, and here on n represents the number of terms. So the number of terms, this is 8, and the sum of 8 terms, this is 248. So here on n we are putting 8 divided by 2. 2 multiplied by a, which is the first term, this is 17, plus the n, this is 8 minus 1 multiplied by the d, which is the common difference that we are calculating. So here we have 248, and this 2 into 8, it goes 4 times. So 2 multiplied by 17, this is 34, plus 8 minus 1, this is giving us 7, multiplied by this d, this is 7d. So since we are not using a calculator, you can distribute this 4, or you just divide both sides by 4. So this 4 can multiply 34 and also 7d. Whichever way that you're going to use, you are still finding the same answer. So we divide both sides by 4. So this 4 and this one cancels. 4 into 248, it goes 62 times, because 4 into 24, this is 6, 4 into 8, that is 2. So here we are remaining with 34 plus 7d. Now to make d the subject of the formula, this 34, it will cross the equal sign. As it crosses the equal sign, it becomes negative 34. So 62 minus 34, this is 28. So to make d the subject of the formula, we divide both sides by 7. So 7 into 28, this is 4. So the value for d, which is the common difference, it is 4. So this is how we handle such kind of questions when you are taught to calculate the common difference with the data that we have here.